Oh, so it's time for cat abuse.
Yep. Yep.
But she seems to like it. She seems to like it.
Hi there.
So, girls, how's your flood control project coming?
Almost done.
Yeah? You think it's going to work?
Yes.
Yeah?
Say hi to Kitty.
And what's your decision on changing careers to become a flood control engineer?
That sounds really boring.
It does? Oh my gosh. It's important. What about all the flood control engineers? What are they going to think?
They're gonna dislike the video.
The entire kingdom's gonna look like in front of Asia's school.
That's right. Talk about flood. That's right. Flood control is so important. If we don't fix this flooding erosion issue, we're going to have our own little Grand Canyon here soon.
Block off this area and then put it to the public, then have them pay to
Yeah,
see the Grand
exactly.
Canyons.
Actually, I had a dream the other day that this whole area turned into a giant lake.
And they were like, okay, we should probably work on this flood thing.
And then there was like the public parking lot.
That's right, across the street. Yeah, Sarah's got a good idea. Let's monetize our flooding issue. So, Asia,
Yes.
how are you excited about going to the land down under?
So excited. It's
All
not
right.
gonna be cold. It's gonna be pretty warm, and that's fun.
Yeah, and you're going to be touring around with great people and seeing one of the great cities in the world, Melbourne, and then one of the most beautiful cities in the world, Sydney. You're going to see the fireworks on New Year's over Sydney.
Yeah. So 20 days.
Yeah, that'll be awesome. Are you going, Sarah? You get to go to Grandma's.
Kitty, you want to come with us, Kitty?
Okay, any final words?
23 days till Christmas.
Yay!